Why should we care about Next.js when we already have React.js? It's a great question, and I've got some compelling answers. In the dynamic landscape of web development, trends come and go, but some technologies manage to stand out and make a lasting impact. One such reason start in the realm of web frameworks is Next.js. As we step into the year 2024, Next.js is poised to become the go-to framework for developers, primarily due to its enhanced server-side rendering capabilities. In this video, we will delve into the reasons behind Next.js' surge in popularity, its unique features, and why developers are increasingly favoriting it over its predecessor, React.js. But before we jump in, if you enjoy staying up to date with the latest in tech and development, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Now let's get started. The ever-growing usage of mobile web platforms has become a driving force behind the surge in Next.js popularity as technology advances. More users and gravitating towards mobile web app experience, making it crucial for developers to adapt frameworks that cater to these trends. Next.js, with its robust server-side rendering capabilities, is positioned to meet the demand of the evolving industry. One noteworthy aspect contributing to Next.js' extent is its seamless integration with React.js. As an open-source JavaScript framework, Next.js builds upon React.js, leveraging its strengths while introducing additional features. This symbiotic relationship has propelled Next.js to surpass React.js in terms of popularity. A burning question arises: why choose Next.js when React.js is already a widely adopted framework? The answer lies in Next.js' special inbuilt functions that significantly enhance server-side rendering and the generation of static web pages. These unique features set Next.js apart and position it as a formidable choice for web developers. So, why actually developers love Next.js? First, TypeScript support. Next.js boasts robust support for TypeScript, offering developers a more structured and error-resistant environment compared to vanilla JavaScript. The ability to easily handle errors in TypeScript makes it an attractive choice for developers striving for code quality and maintainability. 2. Server-side rendering. Server-side rendering is evolving, and Next.js is at the forefront of this advancement. With the increasing refresh rate, server-side rendering in Next.js is becoming more efficient, providing users with faster and more responsive web experiences. 3. Code splitting. Code splitting is a crucial optimization technique, and Next.js simplifies this process. In contrast to using Webpack and Rollup in 2019, Next.js managed code splitting seamlessly. This enhancement streamlines the development process, making it more efficient for developers. 4. Create React App Replacement. Next.js has even managed to overshadow the widely Create React App, a tool developed by Dan Abramov. Despite the hard work instead in Create React App, Next.js has emerged as a more reliable replacement, addressing issues and errors that were prevalent in its procedures. Even the Facebook team has recognized the potential of Next.js as advanced by their adoption and endorsement through official documentation. As we move further into the technological landscape of 2024, Next.js is undeniably emerging as a dominant force in the web development. Its enhanced server-side rendering capabilities, seamless integration with React.js, and a plethora of features tailored for developers make it a standout choice. The web development community is witnessing a paradigm shift, and Next.js is at the forefront, promising a more efficient, error-resistant, and enjoyable development experience. Developers, take note, Next.js is the next big thing. If you found this insightful, make sure to hit that like button And if you haven't already subscribed for more tech content, thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy coding!